shall our evil be neglected and abandoned to the forces of reproduction. The God on our side, we shall deliver on the promises we have made.
His Excellency, Right Honorable Ihedioha, upon assumption of office as the Governor of Imo State on May 29, 2019, hit the ground running by first constituting members of his cabinet. The administration, with its Rebuild Imo mantra, swung into action and has no doubt recorded several milestones so far. In a bid to achieve more lofty heights and translate the vision of the administration into practical realities, the governor decided to write the vision of the administration and make it plain on tablets. On the 23rd of October 2019, the state governor, His Excellency Right Honorable Ihedioha, the state deputy governor, Engineer Gerald Irona, and all the appointees of the state government were at Crystal Lake Resort and Tours, Oguta, for a 3-day retreat tagged Rebuild Imo Retreat, Oguta 2019. The event also had in attendance heads of security operatives, Speaker Imo State House of Assembly Dr. Chidi Collins, Chief Judge of the State, Justice Pascal Nadi, former State Governor Chief Ihedioha, Chairman, Imo State Council of Traditional Rulers, His Royal Majesty Eze Samuel Ohiri, among others. Declaring the retreat open, the state governor, Right Honorable Ihedioha, spoke on the importance of the retreat and what it intends to achieve.
The task ahead of us is onerous, and the expectations of our people are indeed very huge. Hence, the need for us to pause and appreciate these challenges. The main essence of this retreat is to create essential bonding, to build a team with one vision, and to strategize for the larger Rebuild Imo project. It is noteworthy that a good number of you were not part of our electioneering process, and as such, knew nothing about the vision of this administration. You cannot therefore effectively synergize with a team where you are ignorant of the vision. The retreat is to address these deficiencies so that we can collectively build a formidable and well-focused Rebuild Imo team. We're here to find honest solutions that are deliverable, timely, and measurable. Let me therefore advise all of us to take this retreat very serious and not to be distracted. We must connect to the entire objectives of this retreat as the only way to justify this effort. I must mention that I take discipline very seriously. For me, there is always a time to play and a time to work. I play hard when I need to play, and I work hard when we must work hard. And I enjoy all of you to take this seriously. The Rebuild Imo project is a philosophy that must not be diminished by lack of vision or selfishness. And a team work. We are here to appreciate the philosophy, understand the vision, and build a team.
In his remarks, the Chief Judge of the State, Justice Pascal Nadi, said the idea was brilliant and gave the assurance that the judiciary will continue to partner with the executive to move the state forward.
All activities of government organs and agencies must be geared towards achieving peace, order, and good government. And in so doing, the policy thrust of the administration must be brought to the forefront. And since this relates to executive retreat, that means that the key players must first and foremost understand from where the chief executive of the state is coming from. The political promises he has made, the campaign promises he has made, and then work towards achieving them and give honest advice. I believe that he has selected very beautiful and knowledgeable team, and they must work together as a team. There shouldn't be struggle for power or for positions, but it must be, what am I bringing on board to help rebuild Imo State? That must be the question every commissioner or a member of the executive branch will ask him or herself in the discharge of his or her duties.
The State Commissioner of Police, Mr. Rabiu Ladodo, gave an insight on the milestone recorded in the area of security.
Your Excellency, the recent establishment of Iron Gate is a testimony of security aspect of rebuilding Imo. Under your watch, Your Excellency, the security agencies have been meeting together, and we have also been meeting with you, and we have placed security measures in all aspects of Imo. The Douglas Street, that has been an order of the day security-wise, but now security agencies, as were stated, were on top of the situation. It is also on record that out of the 15 most wanted criminals in this state, 8, if I'm not mistaken, 8 were arrested and they were made public. Even the remaining ones, Your Excellency, they have left the state, but we have records and we have been training them, and inshallah we must also arrest them. Not only these notorious criminals that have been terrorizing the state, any other, just yesterday, 15 cultists, just yesterday, were arrested, and we recovered these locally made arms. They are there with us. Again, in Mbise, after we had joined security meeting with all the security services here seated, there was a report of some victims kidnapped. Your Excellency, those victims were successfully rescued and brought to headquarters alive. And I must appreciate the cooperation all the security agencies are receiving from the state government. Finally, Your Excellency, I was mandated by the security agencies to further appeal to the expansion of Operation Iron Gate. We have reviewed the successes so far recorded, and we came to conclusion that there is need, Your Excellency, to expand Operation Iron Gate. It should not be restricted to identified areas of problems. No, we should expand it to areas where we may expect similar things to happen.
The former state governor, Chief Ihedioha, said the administration started off on the right foot, adding that the retreat would serve as a catalyst towards the realization of the administration's set goals.
You hit the ground running from day one when you were sworn in as governor. You constituted this cabinet within a record time. You started your program, you established the TSA immediately, rebuilt the inland revenue. You hit the ground running by refocusing on technical education. You brought a new impetus to the focus on agriculture. What we are here today is to listen to your strategy for economic development, and then let your cabinet have a buy-in.
Every administration at all levels of government comes with its vision and mission targeted at bringing the dividends of democracy to its teeming populace.
The present administration in Imo, with its Rebuild Imo mantra, is no doubt poised to change the common narrative in infrastructure,
education,
health,
agriculture,
and every sector of Imo economy.
Join us on Rebuild Imo Project every Wednesday and Thursday by 8:30 p.m. and 9:30 a.m. respectively on Orange TV channel 59 or Star Times channel 113 as we bring you up to speed with the happenings in the administration.
Also join us on Orange 94.5 FM every Thursday and Monday by 6:30 p.m. and 1:30 p.m. respectively.
Together we will rebuild Imo.